What a change, though, right?
Oh yeah, absolutely, man. Game changer.
Love it, love it. Who's still in Tesla? Now listen, if you guys are in that, keep your dirty hands off the mouse, right? Shed when you're supposed to. Follow the rules. If you look at it, right here this was a shed spot. Everybody see this spot? Let me show you guys why. This was flat, right? So this would have been consolidation. These broke outside of the consolidation, so I would have no problem shedding 50% here. If it just starts to channel sideways, that's not collection. As soon as though it breaks the sideways channel, that's where we collect again. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
So just look, because eventually it will want to start channeling again. So just look at it. Be like, okay, is this a channel or is it actually dipping? On the dip, shed. Channel? Nah, leave it alone. Let it go. Just let it go, man. Let it be free. So everybody right now in the 1 minute, is Tesla consolidating or is it pulling back?
Consolidating.
Yeah, it was a slight consolidation, those two candles. And now look at it. This is why I don't want you guys panicking. Those of you that got into a good scalp off of Tesla, do me a favor. Flip that to a 5 minute. How does that look to you now? Those of you that scalped, do me a favor. Flip to a 5 right now. See it? Stay there. Yeah, don't go back into the 1 minute. Stay right there. Get comfortable with it. You got into a good trade, and now it's just hang on. Listen, how many of you have said, I wish I would have let that go longer? Show of hands. Tell me, open your mics. Have you ever said that?
Like 5 times a week.
Yeah.
Every
Yes,
day.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you
Every day.
Are you going to say that today?
Nope.
Negative.
Okay,
Totally.
I'm gonna hold you to it. Leave it the hell alone. This thing could go 6-7%. You could literally go from you made 200 to you made 2,000 today, and the only thing that it was stop playing with the mouse. Leave it alone. I say it all the time, and you guys will still. Oh, I'm getting out. Why? Oh, I had to get out right there. Why?
Coach, this is a scary situation to be in.
It is. But it's the greatest position to
It's
be in.
it's scary because I'm up 14 grand right now.
And
And
that
it's still
usual?
going.
Is that usual or unusual?
That's super unusual. This is probably one of my highest trading days that I've had here at ADT.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Good for you, man.
You're-
Steven, how long have you been with us now?
Yeah, that's me. I've been with you guys since the beginning, man.
Oh, have you? Awesome.
Yeah, it's been like 2 years, but I became I became gold VIP back in December, and that's when I started making real money.
What a change, though, right?
Oh yeah, absolutely, man. Game changer.
Good job. Appreciate it, man.
Yes,
You're doing
sir.
a great job. Stay after it.
Appreciate you.
Tesla, by the way, that's a shedding moment, right? Now look at Tesla. That's okay. We're still holding the 9. I don't want anybody freaking out and unloading the boat. I'm getting out of here. That's not what I said, was it? And that is because you just want to make sure you guaranteed lock in your profit. That's the only reason, because if that breaks the 9, it's going to want to come to the 21. So why not collect the money now? Because you can always add in later if it does go in your favor, but at least you've locked in the profits.
So, Coach, if you miss this run on the way up, would this be a place to get in?
Yes. Yep. And then you would have your stop just below the 9, right?
Okay, perfect.
Yep. Yeah, because look at it. It's riding that all day.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Great question, by the way. I like the way you're thinking.
This is beautiful.